suena mi México lindo.
El charro despierta al alba, es el alma de esta tierra, vistiendo traje de gala en el llano y en la sierra.
Hola.
Hola. This one it's a concha. It's a Mexican bread. It's like a brioche made with chocolate and pinole, made with corn. Enjoy.
Gracias.
De nada.
Yeah, we are in Mexico City. It was a long coming trip. We've been to Mexico, but you can't say you've been to Mexico if you haven't been to Mexico City. This morning we took a day tour. Our food has arrived. Beautiful. No, it's okay, it's okay. Gracias. Perfect. Gracias. Yeah, so we took a walking tour this morning. We were the only ones in the group. So we had a personal guide, Diego. He was absolutely amazing. Checked out the city, already in love with the city. So vibrant, so colorful. We checked the buildings. It's better to show it to you guys than to talk about it. And then at the end, I asked Diego, what are the top 3 things that every person visiting Mexico City should do? And this was his answer.
Welcome to Mexico City. This is Diego, your tour guide, and I really recommend you to come to this place because we have a very important places, just like one of the most important temples of the Aztecs. So, bienvenido a la Ciudad de México. I hope that you can enjoy all of this, and don't miss our National Anthropology Museum, the Fine Arts Palace, and the National Art Museum.
This Mexico City trip is completely spontaneous. I literally booked the flights 27 hours before departure and I did not have any time to prepare. So all the planning was done by ChatGPT. I asked it to prepare me a 3-day itinerary and that's what it gave me. Now of course I am tweaking it as we go, but today was a historic core day. We explored the historic place of the city. Was very cool, and we're staying in Roma, north part of the city. ChatGPT said that is the most safest part of the town, and in the evening we went and saw this part of the city and we really loved it. It's very difficult to transmit this part of the experience via camera, but this is just a few shots. lots of restaurants, lots of greenery. The city is very green. And we did all this exploration while waiting for our restaurant. It was a half an hour wait and the restaurant was absolutely amazing. Alright, beautiful morning here in the Mexico City, day 2, and according to my ChatGPT plan, today we're exploring 2 other areas of the city, Coyoacán and Xochimilco. I'm probably not pronouncing them correctly, but the original plan was to explore those 2 areas by our own, but then last minute decision and we booked a tour which includes both of those neighborhoods, and we're going there right now.
Xochimilco. Ahí vamos a estar 1 hora navegando por unos canales.
Our first stop is Xochimilco.
Okay guys, our first activity, wild activity, is get to the boat.
This one, right?
Tamarindo, or beer, lemon, manzana, chili pepper, tamarindo and candies.
Sí, que si quieren Juanito con una cerveza. ¿Quieren?
When you want to pass in front of the can of their most famous Mexican snack, this is the corn covered with mayonnaise and cheese and chili pepper. In case that you want to order, ¿cuánto cuesta café? Buen día. 45 pesos each. This is the other presentation. Or in case that you don't want the stick, you can order with the glass. All the grain is inside the glass and you eat with a spoon. Okay?
Buenos días, ¿qué tal familia? ¿Cómo estamos? Hola, ¿qué tal? Buenos días. Bienvenidos a Xochimilco, amigos. Les ofrecemos servicio con mariachi, la música en vivo. Les comentamos, quizás se animen. El precio de un paquete de 10 canciones les valen 3,000 pesos. También está el paquete chico de 5 canciones en 1,500.
Music? Sí, el mariachi loco. ¿Alguien quiere?
¿Habías dicho?
Para ti, ¿qué te preparo, mi hermanito? A ver, dame un asadito con limón y sal. Limoncito chino. Y todavía sigue. Hola, jóvenes, algo de música con marimba, patrón.
150 pesos melodía.
Le tocaremos la bamba, la yaquecita, Sergio, el bailador.
Algo de música, México lindo, cielito lindo.
Y en la otra mano una copa de vino, mi vida contigo, quieres tan presente,
Hola, ¿qué tal? Bienvenidos. Preparamos algunas margaritas, micheladas, pulque, tequila, mezcal, algún cantarito.
No, yo lo pido. Gracias.
¡Vamos!
No es mi turno, carnal, ¿para qué peleo?
We were surrounded by different boats, vendors, mariachi bands, I think it's must do when you are in Mexico City.
Place of coyotes. So we're going to spend a free time there because today is Sunday and the main square is very colorful, full of people and full of seller of handcrafts and offer some performers about the folklore dance from here in Mexico.
We are in Coyoacán, just had a lunch at a local Starbucks, and every time we visit Starbucks outside of Canada, I think, how come they always have better selection of food? Like Canadian Starbucks sucks comparing to the ones that we see outside. Why? I don't know the answer to this question. And also the ones we see outside of Canada are pretty much always much more beautiful. In the Mexico City, so I decided to share a few facts with you. The city was originally the Aztec capital. It was founded in 13th century and it was built on islands in a lake. It's one of the largest cities in the world. More than 20 million people live here. The public transportation is extremely cheap and it includes cable cars. It only costs 1 cent to take a ride on those cable cars. The city is sinking. That's right. They use the water from underneath of the lake bed, and that is why the city is sinking by a few centimeters every single year. That's a huge problem for the Mexico City, and they don't have solution for that yet. Mexico City sits above the sea level by 2,200 meters or 7,400 feet, which is why a lot of visitors feel out of breath walking around the city. I felt that every single day. The city has more museums than pretty much any other city in the world. Another interesting fact about the Mexico City is that police cars drive with their emergency lights all the time. I haven't seen it anywhere else in the world, and I guess it's done to increase the visibility of the patrol cars in heavy traffic. Day 3 here in Mexico City, and today we are going to see the pyramids. We're on the way there. Prior to going there, we stopped at this beautiful place where we will be tasting some drinks. It's time to get drunk.
Wait, don't drink it yet. You are from? Yeah, and you? Canada. Where are you from, ladies? United States. Arriba.
Arriba.
Abajo.
Abajo.
Al centro.
Al centro.
Movimiento.
Movimiento.
Para adentro. Cheers. Salud. I extend my arm. I bring it back. I shake it all. And I drink it all. Cheers. Salud.
You are going to know some of the facts. Okay, friends, family, amigos, now we are going to start the explanation. Yes, Welcome to Teotihuacán. The meaning of this is Teotihuacán, the city of the gods. Actually, the city where you are staying now, Mexico. The proper way to pronounce the name of my city is Mexico. Mexico.
Absolutely unreal view. So beautiful.
Sigan a su señorita Hostes, por favor. Es un placer. Un momento.
Wow.
Guacamole, el que no tiene cilantro. Sin cilantro. Sin cilantro. Ahí es para ella. Guacamole.
Wow, looks good.
Que poquito ahorita les voy a traer otro, ¿vale?
Thank you for watching our Mexico City vlog, and we'll see you somewhere else in the world.